In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage rules in Outlook if you want to keep your inbox organized and make sure messages are handled automatically. Outlook rules can be a huge help. Rules let you control what happens to incoming email, such as sorting messages or managing them more efficiently. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access your rules and turn them on or off whenever needed. To get started, go to Mail in Outlook. This is the main area where you can view your inbox and manage your email settings. Make sure you're fully loaded into the Mail view before moving on, since the rules options are located within the Mail settings. Once you're in Mail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Outlook keeps many of the controls for customizing your email experience. If you're not used to working in Outlook settings, don't worry. Everything is grouped into sections to make it easier to find what you need. After opening settings, find the Mail section, and under that, click Rules. This will take you to the area where Outlook stores your existing email rules. If you've already created rules before, you'll see them listed here. This page is useful because it gives you a quick overview of how your inbox is being managed behind the scenes. From here, you can turn a rule on or off. Usually, this is done with a simple toggle next to the rule name. Turning a rule off is helpful if you want to temporarily stop it from organizing or moving messages without deleting it completely. Turning it back on allows the automation to resume right away. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting inbox behavior or testing a new workflow. As a helpful tip, if something in your inbox seems to be happening automatically, like emails disappearing from the main inbox or landing in a different folder, checking your rules is one of the best places to start. A rule may be active without you realizing it, and toggling it off can quickly confirm whether that's the cause. That's all it takes to manage rules in Outlook. By going to Mail, opening settings, selecting rules under the Mail section, and switching rules on or off, you can stay in control of how your email is handled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.